Can I see your sitting? Wow, it's so cute naman. Gusto niya makita yung sarili niya nakasit down doon. No? Sige. Say hi, guys.
Oh, wait.
Wait. Come here. What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Oh,
Oh no. Nakulit na bata. What do you want to say? Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Oh, see? Aba, hindi. Ikaw dyan, ah. Oh, close na?
No.
So, pa nakikita yung sarili niya, eh. Yee! I will close na?
No.
Say hi, guys, mo.
No. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. How are you, guys? Say, how are you, guys? Sabi mo, salamat po. Oh, isang ka na. Salamat po. What is that?
Okay, no.
I'll close now, okay?
No.
Why? Bye-bye.
No. No, me not.
Did you tidy up? Did you tidy up?
The hammer.
No more. There's more? What is that? What are you silip there?
No, I know. Oh, it's funny. Yeah, it's funny.
Bye. Bye. Wow, what's in your car? It's full. Is it full? Is it full of toys? Is it full of toys? Anak, nahihilo na ako. Bye-bye na. I will close this now, okay?
No.
Oh, look, your toys. Oh, hi.
My toys.
Your toys.
Dad, don't eat that card. I eat cadaver.
Can you give the remote, please?
Oh.
Dancing ikaw? Dancing ka? Uy. Oh, give me the remote, anak. Can you give me the remote, please? Anak, mahudulas ka, oh. Ay, saan mo dapat ilagay yun? Oh, enough na!
No!
Bye-bye.
No!
Why? Can I close it now?
No!
Say bye-bye muna.
No! It's not the way.
What's that? Oh, no. Let's go to sleep now. Ready? Let's go to sleep. Let's go to sleep na.
No! Here
What will we say
I
no?
am. Harry,
Okay, bye-bye.
No! No!
What are you doing? Are you picking up your toys? Huh? Can I have some?
Yeah. Ew. I'm more.
Yeah, more? Bye-bye. Bye!
Stop!